Name of subject internal combustion engines. Name of chapter SI engines fuel supply system, ignition system, combustion. Name of topic spark plug. Content spark plug. So dear friends, as we discussed about the working and constructional feature of the ignition system, like the battery ignition system, magneto ignition system. So in every ignition system, the basic element which is there, and that element is nothing but called the spark plug. So now in today's video, in this video, we are going to discuss the all about for the spark plug. We know the spark plug is a device which is used to generate the electric spark inside the engine cylinder for the ignition purpose. So, how it will generate that particular spark? This is the big question. We know this is the device which can generate that particular spark, then the ignition taken place inside the engine cylinder. But what about the construction? What about the different elements which associated with the spark plug? Again, this is very important to learn to understand. So in this video, we are going to discuss the all things about the spark plug thoroughly. So this is the complete assembly of the spark plug. The spark plug is look like this one when we see it externally. Okay, so this is the side at this particular point which present inside the engine cylinder, through which the spark plug provides the spark inside the engine cylinder, and then ignition taken place and combustion process will start. Okay, so how it will work, this is again very important to understand, very interesting to understand. So basically, these are the different elements which are present inside the spark plug assembly. So this end is nothing but called as a terminal side of end, where the terminal nut is there. So this device or this component of the spark plug is called as a terminal nut. So this number, or we can say the shape on this particular spark plug, is called as a ribs. So here is the particular seal is there, seal of the spark plug. Now inside the spark plug there is one insulator, and under that particular insulator there is one more device or one more component. This is called glass resistor. So the number of threads are again on that particular spark plug like this one. So there is one gasket is always there, and the center electrode with the copper core, this is the major element which present inside the spark plug. So this element is nothing but called as a center electrode with the copper core. And this element which is present over here just in front of that particular knob, and that particular spark plug end, this is called the ground electrode. So in the case of the spark plug, the gas ionization process has been done, and how it will be done we can understand in well manner with the help of the video. So the video will again very helpful to understand how the spark plug can produce the spark inside the engine cylinder, and what do you mean by the gas ionization process. Okay, again here we are going to watch the very interesting video to understand the concept of the spark plug clearly. So please watch the video. So as we already discussed about the battery ignition system, magneto ignition system, the number of spark plugs are also there. Suppose the multi-cylinder engine spark plug 1, 2, 3, 4, which is connected to the distributor, as we discussed in the earlier videos. So again, the high voltage current which is coming from the distributor rotor, and it jumps from the rotor to that particular distributor point, and then from the distributor point to the respective spark plug. So this is the way through which the current will supply from that particular things or that particular system to the spark plug. But how the spark plug will generate the spark, this is very important, and we will going to watch the things with the help of this particular video. So please concentrate. Yes. So as we just had that particular diagram of the spark plug, the same diagram or the same thing is which is present in this animation also. So this is the complete assembly of the spark plug, and let us consider this is the cut sectional view. Okay. So as the amount of current in the form of voltage which is coming from that particular distributor inside this central electrode, here is that particular central electrode, and the different things as we discussed earlier are present over here. The threads are there, then that core is there, and this is that grounded things, all the things are here. So please watch continually this particular video. Yes. Now here is the gas ionization. Now what happened in this? So that particular current in the form of voltage while flowing from this particular central electrode, once it will come at the another end of the spark plug, and where the grounded electrode, or we can say the grounded things which is present over here, the gas ionization done inside between these two things, this particular what we can say this central electrode and this another end, and in that particular gap the gas ionization done. As the gas ionization done, the spark will be produced by the spark. Okay, so this is called the spark which ignites the mixture inside the engine cylinder, and this will be done because of the gas ionization. Okay. Understood. I hope you understood in well manner how the spark plug will work. So in this case, that central electrode and the ground electrode is very important, and there should be always something in between the central electrode and the ground electrode gap, and gas ionization will be done. As the gas ionization will be there, spark will be generated. So this is something about the working principle of the spark plug and well as the construction. So thank you so much for watching this session. Thanks a lot.